so sad, guys. Oh, it's dying. That's not good. Car finally just warmed up. Let's get on with our day, guys. Woo! We did so much shopping yesterday. Look at how many cans of spray paint. Oh my gosh. Let's get on over to the house though. This is dried overnight. I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. I'm literally going in the sun just to show you guys and reveal what color this is. Oh my gosh. That looks absolutely insane. This on the entire car is gonna look absolutely insane. Well, now we know that this turns out good. Let's just grind down everything. Okay, now it's about 11:30, about 2 hours have passed since I last updated you guys. We have gotten a lot done, as you guys can see, almost all that side is grinded. I started on this side, but what I realized is that that point right there is not welded, which means it's a slip, which means I can pull this together, pull both sides out, and pull out this whole black thing, which will make painting 10 times better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach a chain probably from here or there or something, and then basically I have the one end going to this pole, or maybe I'll do the other pole or something because it's just in the ground, and then the second half will go on the Sequoia and be able to just spread it out. You only need a 1/2 inch, which shouldn't require more than, I was able to already slip it out with just that little thing, so that's maybe like 100 pounds of torque, so that Sequoia and the other thing should more than be able to separate it, as well as that pole. So without further ado, let's get this over there and that chain tied up to it and get pulling. That honestly wasn't that bad. Next step, let's keep sanding down the frame. I'd say we're about 40% done sanding down, so we just need to sand everything down even more so and then go from there. We're making some pretty good progress, but let's keep grinding.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so we have this pretty good. Honestly, it's really well. The thing's almost done. I'd say it's about 60% done. However, we ran out of our material. This is gonna be 60 grit right there. I got this from Home Depot or from Lowe's for like $10. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Lowe's real quick, pick up another one of those, and finish grinding this whole thing. And then for these edges, these little corners pieces where I couldn't really finish with that, I actually got carbon cable twist wheel that we're gonna go over that with, and that should clean up all the corners. We just picked up this new grinder wheel from Lowe's. It's only like 10 or 12 bucks or something. But before we do that, I wanna try this to see how well that works on the corners, because if that works on the corners, then I don't have to use that on the corners first, if that makes sense. Ow. Oh my gosh. That could have been so bad. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh man. Woo! Wear your safety, kids. Okay guys, this is what product we have right now. This looks really good. Basically, I have the whole top, and by top I mean the top of this and the top of that all polished and in here, and then I used the grinding wheel and got a whole bunch of stuff in there, and then got in here and there and cleaned up there. In order to clean up the rest on the other side, we actually need to flip it over. So basically what we need to do is well, it's dark out so I can't keep working, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna just put it back on that tracks right there and see if we can't clean up this a little bit. So first we're gonna clean up all this metal lead stuff with the blower. So we're gonna blow out the garage and then put it on the tracks and move it out.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this,